Hello, Singapore and Kuala Lumpur. Well, Maya, Carsten and myself are super excited to be coming to Singapore on July the 16th and Kuala Lumpur on 18th of July to deliver our very popular Primespeak dental patient communications training. If you're interested in lifting your case acceptance and your patient retention with a very unique communications approach that has very strong ethical foundations, then you might want to consider joining us for this workshop. It's going to be a very interactive and dynamic day, and we'll explore why traditional and standard communications approaches simply don't work with patients anymore. And you'll step into a very new paradigm that will totally shift the dentist-patient dynamic. We've also partnered with the Singaporean-based dental education platform DP Academy to provide you with 7 CPE points for this event. And if you're an alumni client and you're ready for a refresher, then you're also eligible for a very attractive discount. But either way, we promise you will find this workshop immensely valuable and insightful, and it will make a massive difference to you and to your patient's experience in your practice. So save your spot now. You really don't want to miss out on this one. Look forward to seeing you there.